Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop.
Did you have to fuck those up?
Oh God. Hey, gang, Poppy here. You didn't hear the old lady talking just then. Okay. I don't know whose territory I'm invading here. AVE or Big Clive. But I'll put this aside over here. Yes.
Nothing.
I'll stay out of the way. I'll be quiet. I won't bother you. Shit. Okay. Anyway, I'm reverse engineering. This is the first step here. This vapor thing. Here was the brass, nickel-plated brass tube it was in. Here's some of the strawberry. Okay. Now, there's the suck end. And you notice it's got a saturated felt washer with a hole through it. Strawberry. This was the end cap where the the USB port went through somehow. Oh, that went to shit. It's some other piece of plastic here. Okay, now here we have, you see, the USB port for charging and well, it looks like a tiny, itty, bitty little SRC diode. I mean, embryo of an SRC diode. Okay, and here we have the battery inside this stuff here. More of that. Oh, strawberry. And it's not good strawberry either. No. This is not good strawberry. Okay, and here, this is your heating element. And more of this crap wrapped around it. Okay, there's your heating element. And you see the two leads running from the heating element. One goes directly to the battery and one goes down to the USB port. Carcinogenic, child luring, addictive, illegal in the state of California now because it smells and it tastes like strawberry. Flavored vapes and flavored tobaccos, snuff, Swisher Sweets. Oh, no more Swisher Sweets. You can't make blunts. Boo. Anyway, my plan for this is I remove battery and USB charging port, and I replace whole thing with a battery holder. I've got a whole bunch of them behind this computer I'm pointing. I got 2-cell, I got 3-cell, I have 6, 8, and 12-cell battery holders. I'll be able to put enough voltage in this thing to make it cook. Now the problem is, how do I get well, I have to wash all this stuff off with isopropyl. Use up the last of my denatured down in the fridge here under the get that good and clean. And yeah. I'll have to find a way to enclose it down here under this port. There's a little hole. You can maybe see it. Yeah, you saw that hole. Get down below that. This plastic here going bye-bye. It's superfluous. And it's in the way of progress. Hey, what voltage is this battery? I bet you it's not 9 volts. Yeah, I got 9-volt batteries. I bet you that'll get that cooking. Think about it. So, the heating element, that little itty bitty heating element, that's the only part of this vape thing worth keeping, in my opinion. Battery? I'm not even going to try and read its writing because it's covered with carcinogenic shit. Hell. Okay. Oh, good. My fingers are still clean. Well, that was that. I showed you. First step, what's inside? Okay. Here's the heating element, battery, USB port, and the charging circuitry. Nickel-plated brass tube, plastic suck nipple, fiber stuff saturated with tobacco vape with flavors, vape juice. Next video, another one. I'm pretty sure that a AA battery will run this. 2. Apparently these are locally available cartridges, bayonet on here. Instead of paying, I heard $12, $15 a pop, and they last like 2 months. Yeah. I have a lot of my wife experiencing me taking wall warts and eliminating batteries and things, like my granddaughter's video karaoke. We couldn't afford all them damn D batteries for it, so I got a wall wart the right size and I wired it in. Hardwire. Plug it in. As long as PG&E's delivering the juice, it'll work. No buying D cells or recharging D cells for those of you going to say, oh, you can get rechargeables. Yeah, I've had rechargeables. Eliminated that problem. Anyway, good night from California. If I think about it, I'll put some pictures of the morning sky this morning. I was sure it was going to snow here. I was wrong. Red sky at morning, sailor take warning.